Can this old oil can be restored? Definitely seen its better days, but maybe not. Looks like the spring's disengaged here. Looks like the top spout's loose. We'll pull this thing apart and see what we've got. Looks like we've got a few pieces missing. Good, there's some down in there. Pull these out of here. Looks like a lot of the pieces to the pump. We'll drop the bearing into the barrel, put the pump spring in, and tap it down. Put the spring in, slide it up into the pump. The pump and the trigger share the same spring. I'll latch the trigger in. Now the pump is connected. Just to see if we get lucky, we'll put some oil in and see what happens. Pour in some old motor oil. Before I try the pump, I'm gonna tighten this up. Looks like we're missing a crush washer. We'll grab a crush washer, that'll fit. Just notice this end is plugged. I cleared out with this pick. It's clear now, we can blow through it. Crush washer in. Now it snugs up, everything's tight. Moment of truth, we'll see if it pumps. We'll tighten it up. We'll see if we can get it to prime. Nope, we'll have to pull it apart and see what's not sealing. I let it sit for an hour and it works. These old tools are built to last.